Welcome back. Today our video's topic will be how to overcome stress and problems. Stress and tension are common problems that many people face in their daily lives. They can affect your health, mood and productivity. However, there are some ways to overcome stress and tension on any situation. Here are some tips that you can try. First tip is get more physical activity. Exercise can help release endorphins, which are natural chemicals that make you feel good. Exercise can also distract you from your worries and improve your mood. Second tip is avoid unhealthy habits. Some people may use alcohol, caffeine, nicotine and/or drugs to deal with stress, but these substances can harm your health and increases your stress in the long run. Instead, find healthier ways to relax such as meditation, breathing exercises or hobbies. Third tip is follow a healthy diet. Eating well can nourish your body and mind and help you cope with stress better. Avoid foods that are high in sugar, fat and processed ingredients as they can worsen your stress level. Fourth tip is meditate. Meditation can help you calm your mind and reduce the negative effects of the stress. Meditation can also improve your emotional well-being and overall health. You can practice meditation anywhere, anytime by focusing on your breath, a word or an image. Fifth tip is laugh more. Laughter can lighten your mood and reduce your stress response. Laughter can also boost your immune system and lower your blood pressure. You can watch a comedy, read some jokes, or hang out with funny friends to make yourself laugh. Sixth tip is connect with others. Social support can help you cope with stress and feel less lonely. Talking to someone who cares about you can also help you vent your emotions and find solutions to your problems. You can reach out to your family, friends, or community for support. Seventh tip is assert yourself. Sometimes stress and tension are caused by talking on too much or saying yes to everything. Learning to say no or delegate tasks can help you manage your workload and your stress. You can also set realistic goals and prioritize your tasks according to their importance. The last tip of this video is seek professional help. If stress and tension are affecting your daily functioning or causing you distress, you may benefit from seeing a therapist or a counselor. So they can help you identify the sources of your stress and teach you coping skills to deal with them. They can also provide you with emotional support and guidance. These were some of the ways to overcome stress and tension on any situation. However, different people may find different methods more effective for them. You can experiment with different techniques and see what works best for you. Thank you.